पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट 1773 से 1947, रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट 1773, कंपनी मिस रूल ब्राउट अंडर पार्लियामेंट्री सुपरविजन, गवर्नर ऑफ जनरल है गवर्नर ऑफ जनरल ऑफ बंगाल बना बैरन हेस्टिंग फर्स्ट, बॉम्बे मद्रास प्रेसिडेंसी मेड सबॉर्डिनेट, एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल ऑफ 4 मेंबर डिसीजन बाय मेजोरिटी, नो वीटो टू गवर्नर जनरल, सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्टैब्लिश एट फोर्ट विलियम 1774, कंपोजिशन 1 चीफ जस्टिस 3 जज, फर्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस सर इलिजा एमपी, कंपनी ऑफिशियल प्रोहिबिटेड फ्रॉम प्राइवेट ट्रेड एंड एक्सेप्टिंग ब्राइब, एक्ट ऑफ सेटलमेंट 1781, सुप्रीम कोर्ट जुरिडिक्शन क्लियरली डिफाइंड barred from interfering in revenue administration, civil and revenue dispute under company excluded from court, jurisdiction mainly limited to Calcutta and British subject, Indian personal laws, custom and uses protected from English law, law made by Governor General in Council declared valid, East India Act 1784, introduced dual control British Crown and East India Company, Board of Control 6 members supervise civil and military revenue affairs. Member included Chancellor of Exchequer, Secretary of State, 4 Privy Councillor. Board issued binding direction to company. Court of Directors 24 member manage commercial activities, trade and commerce under director but supervised by board. Political matter under parliamentary control. Governor General's Executive Council reduced from 4 to 3 members. Company territory declared British possession in India. Officials barred from private trade and accepting gifts. Charter Act 1793. Company rule extended for 20 years. Company to pay 5 lakh annually to British government. Country trade allowed through licensing system. Facilitated private trade including opium trade to China. Revenue administration separated from judicial function. Royal approval required for appointment of Governor General, Governor and Commander-in-Chief. Salary of official and board paid from Indian revenue. Senior official could not leave India without permission. Charter Act 1813. Companies trade monopoly ended except tea or China trade. Indian trade open to British private merchant under license. Missionaries permitted to educate and preach. Annual grant of 1 lakh for education, literature and science. Charter Act 1833. Company became purely administrative body. Commercial function ended. Trade monopoly completed abolished, including tea and China trade. Governor General of Bengal became Governor General of India. Governor of Bombay and Madras lost legislative power. Centralization of legislative authority. Law member added to Governor General Council. Lord Macaulay first Law Commission 1834 established under Macaulay. European allowed free entry and right to acquire property. Charter Act 1853. Company rule extended without fixed time limit. Legislative and executive function of Governor General's Council separated. Legislative Council expanded. 6 additional members added. 4 provincial nominees from Bombay, Madras, Bengal and Agra included. First introduction of local representation in legislature. Open competition for civil service introduced. Macaulay Committee 1854 set up to implement competitive exam. Government of India 1858. Company rule ended. Power transferred to British Crown. Governor General became Viceroy of India. Lord Canning first. Secretary of State in India created, assisted by 15-member Council of India. Dual control abolished. Board of Control or Court of Director removed. Company's army transferred to Crown. Policy of non-annexation of princely estate assured. Indian Council Act 1861. Central Legislative Council expanded. 6 से 12 additional member. Official majority maintained. Legislative Council revived in Bombay, Madras. New Council formed Bengal 1862. North West Province 1866. Punjab 1897. First Indian representative at Centre. 3 Indian nominated. Raja of Banaras, Maharaja of Patiala Dinkar Rao. Portfolio system recognized. Provincial allowed to make laws. Viceroy given ordinance power in emergency. Indian Council Act 1892. Central Council expanded, thus 16 additional member. Non-official member increase about half. Indirect election introduced. Local body university chamber. Member allowed to discuss budget. No voting power on budget. Member allowed to ask question with restriction. Indian Council Act 1909. Parliamentary reform. Separate electorate for Muslim introduced. Beginning of communal representation. Lord Minto father. Separate representation of group like a chamber, university, zamindar. Councils expanded at central and provincial level. Official majority retained at center. Non-official majority allowed in province. Indians included in Executive Council first time. Satyendra Prasad Sinha become first Indian law member. Government of India Act 1919. Montagu Chelmsford reform. Diarchy introduced in province. Dual governance. Subject divided into reserve or transferred. Reserve police, law, order, finance, irrigation under governor. Transferred education, health, agriculture, local government under minister. Bicameral legislature at center introduced. Limited direct election started. Limited franchise based on property tax education. Public Service Commission proposed. UPSC 1926. Provincial budget separated from central budget. Government of India Act 1935. All India Federation proposed, not implemented. Power divided into federal, province or concurrent list. Federal list defense, foreign affair, currency. Province law and order, education, agriculture. Concurrent list 36. Residue power given to viceroy. Provincial autonomy introduced. Diarchy in province abolished. Diarchy at center proposed, not implemented. Council of India abolished. Federal court established. RBI established under Act. Franchise expanded, still limited. Separate electorate extended. SC, women, labor. Public Service Commission or Joint Public Service Commission set up. Bicameral legislature. 6 out of 11 province. Bombay, Bengal, Madras, Bihar, Assam, UP. Indian Independence Act 1947. India and Pakistan created a dominion. British rule ended in India. Princely state free to join India or Pakistan or remain independent. Constituent Assembly becomes sovereign law-making body. Crown's veto ended. Governor General given power to give assent on behalf of Crown. Office of Secretary of State and Viceroy abolished. British paramountcy over princely state ended. No binding constitution imposed by British and after transfer.